Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series we have been uploading Tamil Nadu State Board syllabus, class 12 physics, chapter 1 electrostatics, book back MCQs. Today in this video we are going to see the 14th question. Actually this is the part 14 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to see the question. Three capacitors are connected in triangle as shown in the figure. The equivalent capacitance between the points A and C is. Here, three capacitors are connected in the form of a triangle as shown in the figure below. Now we are supposed to calculate the capacitance in between the points A and C. Now let us have a closer look at this diagram. Here comes the diagram. Here comes the triangle. In this side one capacitor is there. In this side another one, and in this side another one. In this triangle, in all its three sides, three capacitors are there. This one is 2 microfarad and this one is 2 microfarad, and here this one is 1 microfarad. Now here we are supposed to find out the equivalent capacitance only in between the points A and C. So in this type of question the logic is we are supposed to find the equivalent capacitance in between A and C. So here we need to connect a cell. So what about these two capacitances? We need to consider them as if they are in series. What if we are asked to find out the equivalent capacitance in between A and B? In this case, we need to connect a cell in between A and B. So we need to take these two capacitors as if they are in series. Similarly, if we are asked to find out the capacitance in between B and C, then we need to connect a cell in between these 2 points. So in this case, we need to consider the remaining these two capacitors as they are connected in series. So in this question, we are asked to find out the equivalent capacitance in between A and C. So we need to connect a cell in between A and C. So let us consider this 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in series connection. Now options are given as follows. Option A 1 microfarad, option B 2 microfarad, option C 3 microfarad, and option D 1/4 microfarad. As I said earlier, we need to consider these two capacitors are in series connection. So what is the formula to calculate the equivalent capacitance for two capacitors when they are in series connection? It is nothing but 1/Cs is equal to 1/C1 plus 1/C2. Here this S stands for series. So 1/C1 plus 1/C2. What is the capacitance of the first one? 2 microfarad. So 2. What is the capacitance of the next one? That is also 2 microfarad as it is given in the diagram. So 2. Now let us take the LCM 2. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2/2. So finally, what do we get? We get 1. So 1 microfarad. So in the next diagram, in the next simplified diagram, in the place of these two capacitors, we are going to draw only one capacitor and write the equal capacitance as 1 microfarad. Now these two are in series and we have already calculated the equivalent capacitance, that is nothing but 1 microfarad. That 1 microfarad is in parallel connection with this 1 microfarad. Keep it in your mind. Now see the another diagram. So A and C is there. On its side 1 microfarad is there. Again we have already calculated the other two which are in series. The equivalent one is 1 microfarad. That's what is drawn over here. Now, this one and this one, they are in parallel. What is the formula to calculate the equivalent capacitance when two capacitors are in parallel? That is Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Just add them off. So, here, the equivalent capacitance when the capacitors are in series is Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Therefore, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 microfarad. So this is the answer for this question. With this video has come to an end. Let us continue with our studies with another question in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.